The right Shopify YouTube channel can instantly change your business. We have identified the top 5 channels and their secret specializations that will accelerate your journey from beginner to scale. Watch until the end to find the perfect mentor for your e-commerce goals. First on our list is Sarah's e-commerce hub. Her specialization is in Shopify Store Setup for beginners. Her videos provide clear, step-by-step technical tutorials on everything from choosing a theme to integrating essential apps. Viewers benefit from getting their first store launched correctly and quickly. Next, check out Conversion Code. This channel's specialization is optimizing your store's conversion rate, or CRO. They focus on psychological triggers, trust badges, and user interface tweaks to turn browsers into buyers. This benefits viewers by immediately increasing sales without spending more on ads. Our third crucial Shopify YouTube channel is Product Pulse. Their specialization is finding untapped, winning products and detailed niche analysis. They offer comprehensive research videos that help viewers discover high-demand, low-competition items, directly boosting your profit potential. For advanced strategy, we recommend the Scaling Squad. Their specialization is paid traffic mastery, specifically leveraging platforms like Google Ads and advanced funnels. This channel is for those ready to move past organic traffic, helping viewers scale their revenue consistently. Finally, Shopify's official YouTube channel. Their specialization is platform updates and official features. They offer reliable, direct information on new tools, policy changes, and best practices straight from the source. Viewers benefit from staying current and utilizing the newest Shopify features effectively. These 5 Shopify YouTube channel options cover every angle of running a successful store in 2026. Choose the channel that matches your current goal and start learning today.